In November 2023, OMEGLE shut down forever. Nearly a year has passed since then, and we have all tried different alternatives. But none of those websites really work. There are plenty of clone sites out there, but they are not popular and are often filled with bots. After spending a year searching for a good OMEGLE alternative, I have finally found one that works. In this video, I will share everything about this new website with you. So let's dive in, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Open your browser and go to the website emeraldchat.com. When you arrive, you will see an interface that looks like mine. Click on Start and log in using Google account. Once you are logged in, you will see the Emerald Chat app. In the settings, you can access your account details, and if you wish, you can delete your account from there. Now close that window and click on the profile to add the post or picture or view your information or edit your profile. Next, I am going to click on the Meet option. Here you will see 3 choices. For a one-to-one text chat, select that option. If you prefer group text chat, click on that instead. However, I recommend using the video chat feature. Let's click on that. After that, you will see this new interface. You can add interest tags like OMEGLE to help you find new people. If you want to change your agenda preference, you will need to purchase Emerald Gold, which is definitely worth the price. Once you have set everything up, just click Start and enjoy your chat. I hope this video helps you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.